All right, so we've got some pretty big moves happening in the crypto world.
Yeah, definitely some headlines you can't ignore.
Kraken, Coinbase, making waves, big time.
Yeah.
We're talking $1 billion acquisition on one hand and a major market reentry on the other.
A lot to unpack for sure.
Absolutely. So we're diving deep today into these recent reports.
Laying it all out,
Yeah.
what went down and what it all means.
Exactly. We had Kraken scooping up NinjaTrader. That was finalized just the other day, March 27th.
And then over in India, we had Coinbase getting back in the game. That was mid-March, more or less, when that news broke.
Right. Two very different plays, but both pointing to something.
Yes, some larger trends at work in crypto.
For sure. Diversification, global expansion. This is where it's all heading.
And what does that mean for you? Someone who's following this space, we're going to break it all down.
Okay, so let's jump right in. Kraken, NinjaTrader, $1.5 billion. That's serious cash.
It is. And it tells you something about Kraken's intentions. They're not messing around. This is about futures trading.
Futures trading. Okay, so for folks who aren't familiar.
Right. So unlike spot trading, where you're buying or selling an asset right then and there.
Right.
Futures contracts, they're agreements to trade at a set price.
Got it. So it's like betting on the future price.
Exactly. You're agreeing to buy or sell at a certain price on a specific date down the line.
Makes sense. So why is Kraken going all in on this?
So NinjaTrader, they're a big player in futures, already have a platform, the infrastructure. This acquisition is about Kraken leveraging that.
And offering crypto futures to their users.
Right. Kraken's got over 10 million users. That's a huge potential market.
So this is about Kraken expanding their product offerings, diversifying.
Exactly. The crypto market's maturing. Spot trading alone might not cut it for growth.
And futures trading is a massive market, trillions of dollars globally.
So Kraken's thinking big picture here. They want a piece of that action.
They also seem to be banking on some regulatory changes.
That's the chatter. That they're expecting things to loosen up stateside, maybe with the new administration.
Which would open the door for crypto derivatives.
Right. More sophisticated trading tools, which could attract a whole new breed of trader.
From traditional finance, bringing those two worlds together.
Precisely. And that's a smart move, bridging that gap.
Now let's switch gears to Coinbase. They're making a comeback in India.
Big news. They had to pull out back in 2022. Regulatory uncertainty. Wasn't a friendly environment.
But now they've got the green light from India's Financial Intelligence Unit, the FIU.
Right. They're good to go as of mid-March or so. And that's a huge opportunity for Coinbase.
India. We're talking 1.4 billion people and a rapidly growing digital economy.
Over 100 million crypto holders already.
Right.
And that's with all the roadblocks they've faced. Imagine the potential.
It's mind-blowing. So Coinbase is going all in on India.
They've learned from their past experience. This time they're coming in prepared.
Localized payment options. Strict compliance with anti-money laundering rules.
Right. They're ticking all the boxes.
Yeah.
But it's not going to be a cakewalk.
There's already some stiff competition. Binance, WazirX. They're already established there.
And the regulatory landscape in India, it's still a bit of a Wild West.
It's evolving, trying to balance oversight with innovation, but there's definitely some risk.
Absolutely. We've seen those recent arrests for crypto laundering. It's a reminder that India is taking this seriously.
So Coinbase has to tread carefully, but the payoff could be huge.
No doubt. India is a key market for any global player in crypto.
So we've got these two contrasting strategies playing out. Kraken going deep on product diversification with futures.
Well, Coinbase is laser-focused on geographic expansion, tapping into that massive Indian market.
And both are responding to the regulatory winds. Kraken anticipating a thaw in the U.S. Coinbase, navigating a complex landscape in India.
It's a fascinating dynamic, and it tells us something about where the crypto exchange industry is headed.
More sophisticated offerings, a truly global reach. It's all about staying ahead of the curve.
And for Coinbase, you can't ignore their political activities in the U.S., dropping $250 million in 2024 to support pro-crypto candidates.
Right. They're playing the long game, trying to shape the environment, not just react to it.
Which could pay dividends globally. A more favorable U.S. stance on crypto could have ripple effects worldwide.
So to sum it all up, Kraken's betting big on crypto derivatives, diversifying revenue, targeting institutional investors.
And Coinbase is doubling down on global expansion, putting a stake in the ground in India, a massive emerging market.
Two different paths, but both driven by a desire for growth. And a recognition that the crypto landscape is constantly evolving.
And the regulatory environment is the wild card. It's going to play a huge role in shaping the future of this industry.
Absolutely. So here's a final thought for you. What other strategic moves do you think we'll see from exchanges in the coming months and years?
What are the key factors that will determine success in this rapidly changing market? That's something to ponder as we watch this space unfold.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. It's been a fascinating conversation. Until next time.